Now this is how you can transfer contacts from your iPhone to Android without using iCloud. So let's get started. At first, let's grab the iPhone and you will need to use an app using which you will export your contacts. So you can literally open up the App Store and type in export contacts and a bunch of different apps are going to pop up. They mostly get the job done. I'm going to use this one called export contacts, and the way that or the first permission that it asks for is to access the contacts, which we obviously need to allow, right? So that's how it works. Then it tells me if I want to export all of them or only few, so I'm going to select all. And then I just go through the app like that. And, obviously I can choose all of the contacts or first 100 or whatever. And then you need to pick a format. So the best format for exporting the contacts is usually vCard. So that is if you want to bring it over into a different device, which we want to do. So we're just going to click on continue. You might get an ad. You just wait it out because we want to, get the most out of the app. Obviously, we export it and then we have the export ready. So then the goal is to simply have it or transfer it somehow to your Android phone. So we can use a bunch of different things, like we can upload it to Google Drive, we can send it over email or some different messaging service, but somehow we need to get it over to the Android phone. So uploading it to Google Drive is probably a good idea. So we can upload it like this, and then we move over into the Android phone. In there, we go to the contacts right there, and what you can do is basically just import the contacts like that. So instead of the contacts application, go to the left panel, tap on manage contacts and click on import. This gives you the ability to find and locate the vCard file that we just exported from our iPhone, right? So you can access it from the internal storage, but you also have the access to Google Drive, which makes it much simpler. So you can just go in here and just find that file like that. So you can easily just locate the vCard file, and then you can import that the vCard format file into your contacts, and the contacts will be added. So it's pretty simple. You don't really need to do or use any iCloud service for it. So it really makes sense to use it this way. So yeah, I hope you managed to do it. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and guides like this one, and I'll see you later in the future videos.